HP docking station network port issues often stem from driver problems, cable faults, insufficient power, or hardware limitations. About 60% of Ethernet failures are driver-related. Start by checking that the RJ45 Ethernet port recognizes the LAN cable. Confirm that you have a solid connection to your network, that the cable is undamaged and plugged into the correct port on both the dock and your device, and the docking station has sufficient power. When troubleshooting HP docking station network port issues, start by checking physical connections and cable integrity. First, inspect your Ethernet cable for any visible damage. Look for cuts, kinks, or exposed wires that could interrupt the connection. Use a cable tester to verify continuity. This device checks if all wires are properly connected end-to-end. Check that the RJ45 connectors aren't bent or damaged. Bent pins can prevent proper data transmission. Try a different Ethernet cable to rule out cable failure as the cause. Finally, unplug and replug both the docking station and the Ethernet cable to reset the connection. A loose connection can often be the simple cause of network issues. Outdated or mismatched drivers are a primary cause of network port issues on HP docking stations. Visit HP's support website to download the latest drivers for your specific docking station model, such as HP Thunderbolt Dock G2 or HP USB-C Dock G5, and your operating system like Windows 11 or Mac OS Sonoma. Use Device Manager to update or reinstall the network adapter driver, such as HP USB-C Dock G5 Ethernet controller or similar. This should fix the majority of software-related network issues on your HP docking station. To ensure your HP docking station's Ethernet port works, verify that your laptop's USB-C port supports DisplayPort alternate mode for video output and power delivery for power transfer. Remember, some USB-C ports are limited to data transfer only and do not support video output or power delivery. Always use the correct HP power adapter that came with your docking station to provide sufficient power. If the docking station doesn't receive enough power, it may disable the Ethernet port to conserve energy. Finally, consult your HP documentation or device specifications to ensure everything is compatible before connecting. To diagnose network settings on your HP docking station, first check your IP address configuration. On Windows, open Command Prompt and run ipconfig/all to view your IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. On Mac OS or Linux, open Terminal and run ifconfig to verify your network interface details. To test network connectivity, ping your default gateway. If pings succeed, your basic connection is working. If you suspect IP conflicts, check for duplicate addresses or DHCP server issues. Restart your router or renew your IP lease. HP's Support Assistant app provides built-in diagnostic tools that scan for docking station malfunctions and suggest fixes. This tool significantly reduces troubleshooting time by automatically detecting and updating drivers, as well as identifying hardware issues. The Fixes and Diagnostics section offers targeted tools for network and hardware issues, including options to launch diagnostics that check for docking station problems. In the My Devices section, you can access updates, messages, and troubleshooting fixes for registered devices, helping maintain optimal performance. If software fixes don't resolve the network port issue, suspect a hardware problem with the docking station. HP's warranty covers replacements, often shipped within 3 to 5 business days. Contact HP support for assistance. Hardware failure rates are around 5 to 10% in older models. According to a 2025 Tech Republic study, 25% of issues were cable-related, so always check the cable first. Future HP docking station trends include wireless alternatives like Wi-Fi 7 for better mobility. Upcoming models may feature AI-enhanced diagnostics that automatically troubleshoot issues. As laptops get thinner, Ethernet ports could become optional, with USB-C adapters taking over. The industry moves toward hybrid connectivity, keeping wired Ethernet for tasks needing low latency, such as video conferencing. Fixes may come via over-the-air updates, so stay current with HP firmware releases for best performance.